All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we live, baby. What's going on? Getting to the end of the month, man. July is gone, man. Sheesh. But here we are. Had a nice day Friday, and hoping we're getting back on the good foot of basically just discipline and trading my own personal rules that I came up with myself. So yeah, but it's a good morning, man. Hit that like button for me on your way in, guys, please. What's up, Three Pony? Hope you had a good weekend. So we got SMX, CRVO, which kind of died off. BWAV and LIDR, which is looking really cool. Really cool. What up, Trex? Yes, sir. Trendline train the building. OG, what's up, man? Yeah, I got V-Wave on deck. T-Boy, AIM. I ain't look at AIM. Who's up at AIM? Got news. Why we ain't look at AIM? Too expensive.
NBTS. LIDR. QS.
Man, LIDR, bro. Them setups that be right there at pre, man. Look at that, bro. Such a tempting setup.
BTCS.
I'm gonna hit them one day.
TSLL. NBTS.
That's what's going on. That's what's going on.
WRD.
Yeah.
WRD.
BTCS. NXGR. BGNX. STK. AIM. VAPE.
Global
VOR.
taxi secures
TRON.
autonomous driving permit in Saudi
SLDP.
Arabia.
LIDR.
Nobody cares,
VOR.
huh?
CELC.
TRON.
PFSA. COUR.
SLDP. NBTS.
WRD. LIDR.
Hey,
AIM.
bro. Yeah, this one was
BGNX. STK.
telling you on the hourly
VOR.
end, and I mean all the time.
SLDP.
Golly.
TRON. NBTS.
LIDR.
All right, this thing
VOR.
need to calm down.
QS.
It's just ridiculous.
GEOS. PFSA.
Ridiculous. And all the pre-market movers are falling except for LIDR. Think so? Right there, yesterday's high. Yeah, LiDAR gone, bro. Down. This looks similar to the same situation of yeah, the hourly on INMB is pretty sweet. Hammer time right there to yesterday's high. It's pretty sweet. MVCT at 715, huh? Golly. Very nice. No niece yet. I mean, you're pretty nicely in the money already. What's up, Microdons Trading? Come on in. Don't forget to hit the like for me, please, on the way in, guys. I like MCVT right now. Bacon sandwich. That's what's up, Bacon. The earth, the earth is round, huh? I think it's round. I just don't think it's a sphere. Do you finally smash that like? I appreciate it, Paul. Dang, that's tough. It's BLT. Oh, you gotta wait 11 days. All right, it's all good. I immediately thought BLT when I saw your name, so it's not too far. Dang, bro, the one that you just. What's up, Rob? Friday was epic. I know, man. I had it on watch. Actually, when I pulled it up, I was tempted to jump in pre-market, and then this candle right before the open is just amazing. But I feel a way about that, which I don't really think I need to. I don't really think I need to. I just some reason in pre-market I come in with a completely different mindset and don't trade my setup. I start looking at the one and I don't know. I treat it differently, but there's no reason to treat it differently. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, LiDAR just went crazy. But maybe it'll crash out and reset and then give us another chance. SMX. Daily's trash on this. What happened? AIM. Talk about AIM for a second. Yeah. I mean, squeeze these 2 days of shorts out, so that would be pretty cool. Nah, I didn't. You did, OG? IDAR gone, man. It's gone. Hmm. XXII. Tuh. It's the CVT looking sketch. Looking sketch for the reversal. It's knees time, focus. You're already. LiDAR wide. That joke was gone. Pre-market high and beyond, man. Like nothing. Here comes SMX. Testing $3. What? Where's the money? It's right here, bro. Morning knives. Green 931. Man, bro. He's on fire. He's on fire. Where my fire dude at? He's on fire. Nice job, team boy. Doubled. Oh, when? It halted in pre-market? When did it halt? Dang, I didn't know they could do that. Went too crazy, huh? For real? Yeah, I ain't never heard of that before, Artem. What's going on, man? Pre-market halt? Hmm. Oh, news, not volatility. Y'all see vape? Of course, vape is halted. That thing went to 175 pre-market. Dang. SMX is looking interesting over here. Yeah, man. Thing went crazy. Yeah. I guess I mean it ain't selling off, but you got a setup. You see a triangle going on? Bro, this thing is in the well, huh. Yeah, that hourly looks sketchy, bruh. That hourly is like I'm down trending for a long time. I definitely want to be on LIDR, Rob. I missed it though, bro. Like the entry was down here by yesterday's high. Like these candles are ridiculous. ATNF, little low volume. I don't know what to call this. I don't know what to call that. AIM was the golden ticket. Yeah, I saw somebody posted Ross's P&L in the Discord. I hope he. I mean, he needs to hang it up for the day. Like, I mean, of course he can get it back, but is it worth having $100,000 red day? Like, just come back tomorrow, bro. But who am I to say something? I'm trading $5 risk over here, so let me be quiet. Yeah, Ross Cameron, the one and only. Had to hide in the bushes. Yeah, pre-market is actually getting less scary. I've been able to get in and out of trades pretty easy, but the only problem with pre-market is it's so outside of my normal trading routine that it I'm not in my best form most times pre-market. I'm kind of in that, oh, let's give this a try kind of mode. Man, need the coffee. Man, I didn't have any caffeine this morning yet. I'm feeling it. What's up, Moy Moy? INMV. Focus was talking about that. Those topping tails are kind of scary, but we do got the higher, 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 low. This does look kind of cool right there. The hourly is like, come holla.
Order filled.
Oh, here we are. Bit of a gun jumper there, but I know, right? Only because I was watching it before. Well, not watching it, but I pulled it up and put my little line in the sand over this high. And I mean, these topping tails are a bit vicious, but not on the 15. And I really like the hourly, but my order pumped. 15-second chart. Wow. Yeah, I can get that. I think I'm gonna hop right out of these when they fail bad quickly. It's at 96. Oh gosh, it's a no volume guy over here. One of those. Yeah, that was a little too quick, eh? Oh wow, it sure did. Golly. Better. This looks ridiculous. Let me jump it down a bit on there. No shares between that and the stop. I'm doing it.
Order filled.
It's fine. Shouldn't have been in there anyway. Yeah, my bad. CRVO looks good though. Kinda. Yep, next trade. T words gone. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Yeah. That's how it goes. I don't know. I have no explanation. Next trade. Next trade. What's up, Alex? CRVO is heating up in a big way. At any price? Nah, bro. God, T-boy in the money over there. See what I'm talking about, Rob? See what I'm talking about? Just buy it anywhere. Just buy it anywhere. Nah, bro. Yeah, I see V Wave. Now I'm gonna be mad at myself for not minding my stop and just jumping out. But uh, hourly is good. 15 will be even better after this candle too. We're over 20 minutes into the market. Yeah, for sure. That's why I wasn't willing to just dive in that piece. This volume is just too bad though. I don't know though. If the volume is really a significant issue. Yeah. Yeah, LiDAR is halted down. Bruh, this was a good. I should have stayed in this piece. No momentum though. It's so hard to make these. I just pumped out of this trade and raised my stop, bro. That's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt. Yeah. Just gotta work on being grounded and waiting for what I'm supposed to be waiting for. Break a 4 on VWAV. Yeah, I'm chilling. I like that though. Mm-mm-mm. Right. I mean, just looking at the higher time frames, it's a go. Well, the 15 is actually pretty sketch, but the hourly looks great. Yeah, I'm good. BWAB going. You in there, OG? Oh, who was that saying they wanted 4? Yeah, that's OG. It was a little pattern, though, Paul. It was what I like to see. I had my line in the sand over this high, and we broke over the high and held it, and then broke again. But this is all disgusting, though. These are huge red flags in the game. Took profit already, man. That's what's up. If I was Ross. Yeah, you're right. Ooh, look at that. All right. Nice. That's what's up. BLT. Uh, 10 o'clock. Yeah, ain't bad idea at all. BLT. Yeah, I did. I did focus. Just didn't have the confidence, and I don't know. I actually started to move my stop back down to where it should have been, and then it stopped me out right when I did that. So yeah, and there goes VWAV. Congrats to everyone in VWAV and INMB. Was so close. Did you tell me to get out? No. No. Told myself. Yeah, I don't know. My bad. I'm just yeah. Now I get to sit here and feel the pain of sorrow and regrets. Wow. I started into the Lance one. I didn't get real deep into it though. This weekend was terribly busy. I didn't get to spend any time on my computer this weekend. Damn, bro. See, it's like it's a difference. There's patterns, and then there's like sometimes it's doing like the pattern that I want is to see price build on itself. Like so, when I put this line here, I want to see it break over and then stay over that line. And I mean, it closed over this line 3 candles in a row, and then you got this test. So just everything, man. Just everything. Couple dumb trades in pre-market. Just a month of piss poor trading and just not trusting myself in it right now. Like I never move my stops up. That's like a new thing, man. I had a way, but uh, I I don't know, man. That's so disappointing. I didn't really have a way into VWAP, so I'm not really mad about that. Except for buying it off the EMA like I've been kind of contemplating doing, but yeah, maybe. What a cool first trade that would have been of the day. I last that long. I mean, it's not that I'm upset about missing out on 20 cents. It's just like being where you're supposed to be and leaving, you know. Uh, only get like one or two opportunities a day. So when you fumble that mug, it's like, dang. Not over though. Crazy. Reentry 452. That's nice. That Joker gone. I like the stocks that aren't extended beyond entry. That's what I like. And what's the point of looking at this unless I'm gonna short it? Yeah, maybe. Okay, Rob, but look, you see this move up here? You see what happened when you buy at the top? This, there's no way I'm gonna buy this up here. It's just not gonna happen. It's just no way. That's what's up, OG. All right, T boy. Yeah, I was looking at that on the two actually, how many spots you could have bought at. VWAV need like a 30-minute pullback. My bad, bro. What up, Jack? Not good. Fumbled around in pre-market and then stopped myself out of my only possible winner. Actually, I took what was this? CRVO in pre-market, got in right here and spiked way up to there. And I hit my open market button and it was a market order, so that didn't go through, and then it dropped down a bunch, and then I was just sitting here fumbling. And yeah, so that would have been a nice 3R, 4R trade that I fumbled. And then what was this? That was the open market thing that I also fumbled. And then this was just some FOMO. So yeah, I don't know, man. What changed from Friday? Probably just coming in and playing around pre-market. Starting the day off red from pre-market, even though it was just like $10. It's just kind of a confidence zapper, I guess. I don't know. I definitely feel like everything that's happening is all psychological, but I don't know what to do about it. Yeah. Yeah. I mean the main part is the entry though. That's the main part is just taking an entry I can be confident in and being willing to stand on it. $0.04. Yeah, that part. Not really fix anything though. I think actually I've been doing pretty good with taking profits. It's just the injury. Friday, what happened Friday? I thought I did pretty good on Friday. I killed Friday. As far as taking profit. That's nice work, impending doom. Got all the jokes. Backside. Hey, what's up, Army? Doing all right. Needs a bit more of a move up. What you talking about, Trey? SMX? What? What, Trey? Oh, for real? Interesting. That's literally the outline of it. Hey, technical trader, you still in here? You said because I'm not trading the 1 minute chart. What you mean by that? Freeway looking kind of ready. Uh, yeah, that's true, Microdon. Uh-oh. took it.
Order filled. Actually took the 15 break, which was 262. That's why I didn't get in over this low. I mean, over this high. So, I mean, it's actually a late entry
in reference to the two, but I wanted to get over the high of this 15-minute candle. Break of VWAP in the opening price, 285. Not really. Uh, mm, yeah, needs to wait for you. If you set up, I'm at it. I'm just looking for the pop. I'm looking for the chart to say, get out of there.
Order filled.
Thanks, Niles. It's all right. The 15 is absolutely beautiful. Look at the 15, bro. Can it get cleaner? Except for this top and tail, of course, but look at it. Freaking beautiful. Not passing those up no more. I don't care about the volume. It's coming. It's on the way. It's on the way. And I got focus with me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's the ad right here, boy. The VWAV people at.
Order filled.
You focus. Gimme. It's trying to fall out. This is low 305, 304. That's a good spot. Let's go.
Order filled.
Stopped out of INMB. Womp womp. Should have took the TP up here like I did on SMX. These are the breaks.
Order filled.
Break it up now. Too many trades at once. Just two. I like MCVT now though. Should have took that 15 pop, but it's downtrending on the 15, so that's real sketchy actually. Yeah, this might, you have to take this guy out of here. Yo.
Order filled.
Yeesh. We doing anything over here? Okay, back to green. Yeah, I raised that stop up too tight, yo. Little dirty rat. Stopped me out by a penny, too. Should have kept it under that 15. It's all right, though. Act like it was what you.
Order filled.
All right, out of SMX. Hey, that's fun. That's fun. This one is, we'll call that done. I think this definitely has my interest now. Captain Crab reversal. Yeah, that was nice. That was super nice. Backed up to pre-market high almost too. Pretty cool. I told you the sales are cool, bro. I just got to get in there. Oh gosh, that feels much better. I appreciate you. Risk to reward, Rob. Is that what you're getting at? This thing is madly downtrending though. This is like super counter trend. Yeah, we gotta take that one off. Low volume jump. Okay. Till it's not. Yeah, that's true. ALBT. She gone. She is gone. Damn, you right. It sure was. We looking like volume wise. 52. What up, T-Lo? We gonna get in after that. What's up, T-Lo? Uh, so you like MCVT? Yeah, I definitely want to work on targets because I a lot of times I feel like I'm selling too early because I don't have a reasonable target in mind, and I'm just. But I don't know. I'm really enjoying the sales actually. Yeesh.
Order filled.
Man, LRDR is just dry on volume though.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm feeling like the 5 minutes been freaking killing me. After seeing VWAP and I mean VWAV and looking at the two and seeing how many pullbacks there were to get in on that thing, and I'm just sitting here waiting for the five, bro. I didn't mean to risk that much. I guess I took it on the five though, so that's cool. What's that, Rob? Oh, I want to stop trading scary. That's what I want. I like that bounce on SMX, but the RVO curling back up over 10 and yesterday's high. Man, SMX though. Ah, the 15 triggered. I meant to. Oh, this the 5. Yeah, that was beautiful on the 5. That was beautiful on the 5. That's all right though. We're definitely hands full right now. Yeah, I feel that, Knives. Hmm. Almost feel like I should not sit here through this 5-minute pullback, but let's see what happens. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Let's go. Look at that thing, baby. Squeeze up.
Order filled.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Let me get 7s. Actually, we need higher day at this point. Just head on up there, dog. Just head on up there, dog. Stop to BE for show. Man, I'm used to trading a lot of things at once, so like I've been having a straight jacket on these last couple months. Sometimes. Nasty rejection right there, huh? Too. Does.
Order filled.
Yeah. Take that out. Oh snap! I'm over here missing it.
Order filled.
Ah. Think that was a good stop out on the tube. My bad, Rob. uh, Red, I ain't seen Red, man. I might be hella mad at myself for this. But I think this is a good time to get out on the 2. But I got in on the 5, so and it's downtrending in a major way. It's all right though. We busy. Yeah, see, I'm gonna be mad at myself, yo. I gotta stop interfering, man. Definitely not from signals on the lower time frames. But you know, I haven't traded the two. So I give myself a little leeway. I think this was legit though. Legit reversal. Just got a little hyped. Sitting at VWAP now. That's a nasty rejection though too. Yeah, let that thing come back. Come on, man. We ain't done. Stop kind of in the way, but I don't want to give too much back. This is low 60s.
Order filled.
All right, cool. All right. And I got out of this one, yo. I'm gonna see if this five close. All right. All right. Yep.
Order filled.
It's kind of a low volume joint too, huh? CRVO. What, Rob? What you talking about? Damn, this is what I used to do, man. Uh-oh. Oh, damn, you right. Look at that. That was pretty. Yeah, my bad. That was real pretty. That was pretty. Spreads on this are kind of nasty too. Yeah, they super nasty.
Order filled.
Oh, seconds too late. Seconds too late. Let's see what happens.
Order filled.
Come on, man. Get them shorts out the way. Man, I got my little peripheral on LIDR too. Let's not do. Let's not be so jumpy. I know, OG. Best thing to happen to my day. Come on. Dang, I ain't got no shares for real. Yeah, LIDR looking kind of cool. We go. Man. Come on, come on, come on. Go to your home. Yes,
Order
yes.
filled.
Yo.
Order filled.
Oh gosh. That's it. I got you, man. I've been hung up on the 5, man. And when I looked at this on the 2 this morning and saw this incredible run and looking at all these pullbacks, you got the higher low at the EMA, higher low at VWAP, the higher low over, it's just like all these opportunities on the front side of the move. And I'm waiting for this 5-minute pullback that just freaking never happened. Yeah, I ain't need to have them up that long. It don't take that long to count $30. I don't like that. I like this though. FOMO got me in his pain. That's crazy. I'm so disappointed in these L's over here though, especially that last one. Oh, I guess MVCT wasn't bad, huh? That was almost a break-even loss, so that's cool. That was a good stop out on MCVT, yo. That was a very good stop out. This signal right here. Proud of myself. Yeah, you're right, Paul. It just took me a minute. I needed that 5-minute phase to slow myself down and wait for confirmation. And now I can literally take everything from the 5 and just bring it down to the 2. That's my idea right now. I don't know, man. I think I might have to holler at LIDR, yo. Dang, I'm still in over here? I thought for sure I was stopped. Not yet. Not yet. Bum, 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 bum.
Order filled.
Ah, you dirty rat. allows to stop to the upside. Nah, I get it. I really did want it under that, but I didn't want to give anything back. Man. Probably pretty low. My share size has been pretty small. That's pretty violent right there, though. But it sure held up, didn't it? Yeah, it just kind of looking like a top on the 5, though. This big high volume rejection here. What do you get from that, Rob? I was dying for opportunities, Paul. And here they are.
Order filled.
Mm. That 305 might have been a little too much buying underneath that. It would have been better to buy over the top. This thing looks like a choppy mess. Oh, that was quick. Quick way to lose
Order
15
filled.
bucks. Yeah. I want to take that. We're gonna wait though. Let's give her a little bit of time. What happened with SMX? What happened here? Yeah, it keeps falling back. It needed to hold something. It ain't holding nothing. Kind of held VWAP in the EMA, but only for a moment. Been in for what? Been in what, Trey? SMX? In what though? SMX? Now I really do want volume. That ain't doing no volume either. Kind of. The dumps. Yeah, this double rejection of 305. Shouldn't have jumped in after that. I didn't really notice it until after though. Uh-uh. Man, don't let me make you loosen up your stuff over there, bro. I still think this could be a lot of fun. I kind of would like to see this 15-minute close as a hammer. Missing VWAP, yeah. That's how it be. See, but I had to drop down the time frame to get in on this bad boy.
Order filled.
Might be a little aggressive. Yeah, that's pretty aggressive. What a shame it would be to finish today red for sure. That would be a shame after we've had so much fun. It would also be a shame to miss the next leg on VWAP.
Order filled.
Mm.
Order filled.
Come on, high day. What we got? 866. Hot level 921. I think next time we find the banger, we just gonna sit here and trade the banger. You know? What a crazy idea. No, we not. Nah, I'm cool, man. I'm cool. This is way more fun and profitable. Come on. Come on.
Order filled.
Yeah, we'll see. This is just one day. One day, 1 week, 1 month is really meaningless in the whole scheme of things. So what's happening? Mm, let's leave it right there. Buy more if you aren't selling. That's interesting. Hey, Tron over here My bad, I forgot. Let's go, man. Need that higher day. Squeeze them shorties out. 866. That's a nice pop from where we're at now. Oh, I would love to see this thing halt up. It's totally gonna stop me out. I don't really want to get out though. I really want to let this thing ride and give it room to bounce around at this point of the day. But I don't want to give back a bunch either. This is tough. Just leave it there. Smaller time frame, more opportunities. Don't need to let so much pullback on these stocks because we can just get in like we did here. All right. Dang, this is my third trade. Yo, we eating over here, man. Yo, imagine, bro, if I was, oh my gosh. That's all right. We'll be here tomorrow. God willing. Eating, bro. Eating. There we go. Come on. It's time. It's time. Ah. I might have to get another third off up there just on GP. Keeps failing like that. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on. Come on then. I gotta get that Jurassic Park GIF up here, man.
Order filled.
On GP. On GP. We eating tomorrow for sure. I know, OG. Absolutely, bro. I definitely would have missed it. And it was like a double-edged sword because I would miss it waiting on the 5, and then the fact of me missing it would like jack me up. And I have FOMO all super strong. Come on, man. Just go. Could you please? I'm glad I sold up here. That's all I can ask for is just to have an execution at the top, you know? Can't ask for no more than that. If it don't go any further, I sold the top. Hmm. Man, I can't be adding that many pieces things to my bag, Rob. Same thing, just on the 2, Trey. Ain't nothing changed for real. This gonna stop me out by like a nothing. What's this low? 780? Should I go down 780? I kind of want to go down to this low, but I think it's finished for this run. I know, Paul. You're right. That's what it's got to be tomorrow, man. We got to find the good one, and once it starts working, we just stay with it. Just stay with it. You know. I'm mad I gave back my SMX. Uncalled for. It is holding 8, man. Oh, I see what you're saying. You're saying just get out. But what if the one stock on rush doesn't allow? Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna still keep my screen, my watch screen up. I mean, and if there's 2 active stocks like this, you know, I'll trade both of them. But just like seeing this and then having like a stock like this that's been dead all morning, right? And trying to catch a revival on it, like, you know, there's no need. And it's the volume, like on a stock where the volume's low. That's what there's nothing else to trade, so I'm looking at these low volume things, hoping one of them wakes up. But we got one that's wide awake over here and making highs, so it's just no reason to be over there. You know?
Order filled.
All right, I knew it was gonna do that. That's cool though. Dang, man. Y'all hit the like button for me, man. I was having an emotional situation at the beat. I was having a hard time, bro. Oh my God. I was having a hard time after this loss. I was having a hard time, yo. No likes for me today. Oh gosh. We green. Not bad for $15 risk today. Damn, do we take this? A 1 is back to the EMA. 5. Not looking bad. Did it hold this low? Nah, it broke it. I know, bro. That's definitely what I'm imagining, OG. Nah, I'm gonna give it some time. I don't know. Back's kind of against the wall again, though. We might have a repeat of May. Yo, what up, T-boy? Yeah, man. VWAV was very nice. Vision Wave. A 2-minute triangle right here, Trey. Actually, it's probably on the 5 too. Stop the 2 minute chart. What you want me to be on, Rob?
Order filled.
Oh, I think we're really cooking back over 840. Way better RR on the two. RR on the two go crazy. Well, you get more trades though. So I think you end up with a larger sample size. Yeah, I mean that's the important part, of course. Taking a whole bunch of bad trades isn't gonna help anybody. But just wasn't seeing the trades at all. Come on, 840, man. Come on, 840. To the 5 minute community. I'm still looking at it for sure. I'm not. I've benefited greatly from trading the five, and I mean, I'm still taking 5 minute entries and stuff like that. But there's some trades to be taken on the two as well. Vape, nah, I pulled it up earlier. It's kind of expensive, man. I'm hmm, that's nice. That's beautiful. Fine, pretty nice trader. Oh, here goes SMX. Curling. This is looking kind of not going up. What is this low? 10, high 866, 857. Got a lower high on the 15. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out of
Order
that.
filled.
Get out of that one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did I mess up? That's enough. That's enough. We did enough today. We did enough today. Yeah, exactly. We're at 12 o'clock. I'm gonna consider myself emotionally taxed on the day, and I'm gonna walk away with this, and we'll just come back fresh tomorrow. I got a lot to review, and you're gonna do it all again tomorrow. We'll see. I might have shot myself in the foot over here, yo. Yep, sure did. Damn it. There's 840. You dirty rat. It's all good though. I was just at the end of my wits, man. Oh my god. Yo, we was killing this thing. It's good to see, man. It's good to see. Yeah, I'm good though. I'm cool on today. I'm mentally exhausted right now. And damn it. Selling while others were buying on the 5-minute. Listen to me. Bro, but look at my sales about that freaking at the tops, yo. Well, I mean, I don't know, bro. I'm emotionally compromised. I'm telling you. I mean, you said where I'm selling, they're buying, but I'm looking at my sales, bro, and they look pretty top tier. Oh, look at this, bro. We was about to be 4 for 4. What's this? 1, 2, 3, 4 for 4 on this thing, bro. Just stop myself out like a coward. Almost jumped right back in too, but I'm glad I didn't. It had no chance. Yeah, time for rest for sure, man. Yeah, 4 for 4, man, except for this execution error back here, but nah, I'm cool, Rob. I'm cool. We did good, man. $15 risk, 72 bucks on VWAV. Gave back half of my SMX. And I should have sold this, man. What the heck? My risk was super wide though, because I got in on the 5. I think if I was watching the 2, I probably wouldn't have gotten this at all. This is a choppy, disgusting mess. I don't want to be in stuff like this tomorrow. CRVO trash. MCVT trash. Like, just look at it. It looks like trash. The thing with the trash though is they give the 5-minute entries because they're not moving that fast. So it's easy to get a 5-minute pullback that didn't go too far on something that's not trading volume. But on things that are running, like by the time a 5-minute pullback happens, it's over. You know? But with the 2, look at that. There's nowhere in for me on the 5. But on the 2, got that one, maybe that one. That's probably enough right there. But post nut clarity, baby. Yep. Yeah, man. I'm super happy with that. Yeah, so I'm moving my talents down to the 2 minute try. I've been thinking about it for a long time. The one is I like the one too, but it's the two gives you just a little bit more confirmation. You know, a little less whippy, a little less likely to get wicked out on the two. I can't leave until it hits 9. You just want me to swim in my FOMO, in my regret for stopping myself out. I'm trying to save myself. uh the ATR chart? Damn it, man. I was in there, man. What a clutch entry, bro. I can't believe I punked out like that with this fat cushion. I mean, not fat, but you know, I just really didn't want to go back down to like $30, 30 or 25 realized. So it's all good. If you're not willing to risk it, you shouldn't be in the trade. Yeah, no doubt, King. Good Lord. There's 9. There's 9. Are you happy, Rob? I hope that doesn't happen, Knives. But I've been watching the 2 minute. I watch the 1 and the 2 all the time. Damn, that was a clutch entry, bro. Nice work. Nice work, man. The read was fire. I need the volume, man. That's what it is. Yeah, I hope it don't go down like that, Knives and Trey. I surely hope it does not go down like that. I don't think this is like as new as it seems though, because I've been watching these entries go by, especially on the 1. But I'm just like, no, I can't trade the 1, and I'm waiting for the 5, and then the 5 goes, and I can't take it, you know. So I got some data. Yeah, that's true. I guess we just gonna have to find out together next time on the next episode of SDT. Well, hit that like button for me, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. Nice end to the day. I don't know what tomorrow will bring, but it's definitely nice to see some fire executions here today. And yeah, man, look out for the review. Yeah, me too, Knives. I'm excited. Paul is being such a the sarcasm. It's all good though. It is all good. Yeah, see, I ain't missed too much. I didn't miss too much. I probably would have sold through 11 to 840, and I definitely would have sold through 9, and then stopped out under 850. So I would have put a little more on the tab. If you cry when you start looking. How many days we got left? We got 31 this month. Yeah, okay. All right. I got you. Yeah, the stop was there's definitely going to be some adjustments like that are going to need to kind of, you know, the way I'm dealing with the stop, and you know, not necessarily trying to camp for the entire trend. Like that's what's super cool about this. And you know, I'm hearing you, Rob, as far as just getting all the way out instead of trying to ride it back down through the pullback. Like just get out, and if it pulls back a higher low, you can get back in. you know. So yeah, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Yeah, I'd rather not have this arrow down here, right? Like this could be my last execution, but you just kind of don't know when it's gonna happen. So it's part of the game. It's part of the game. Because if I sold out all the way here, I wouldn't have gotten that one, you know. And if I sold out all the way here, I wouldn't have gotten that one. But how much more is it? I don't know. You switching to the 3? Y'all got mad jokes. Y'all got mad jokes. I do got the 3 on here. What the 3 look like? Nah, see the 3 too long. 2 is just right. The 1 is too short. Nah, it's the 3, bro. The 2.5. Nah, the 2 is it. We'll see though. I mean, my first trade on VWAV was actually heavily based on the 15. So, you know, it's multiple time frames. It's a lot. It's a lot to analyze and all of that. Man, my wife made oxtails last night with cabbage and rice and peas, bro. And it's better than any Jamaican spot I've had in KC. I'm about to heat up my lunch. I'm about to heat up my lunch. And then I'm going to do my review. And then I got some work to go do. Oh, yeah. Hey. You invited, Knives. Yeah, boy. Like we went to the Jamaican spot and got the jerk seasoning and all that. You know what I'm saying? They had some strange stuff in there, but it was cool. A lot of dried fish. That was interesting. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go have my little lunch, do my review, go through some some of these charts, man, and go look at the 2 over some of the last trades I taken this month and just kind of see what opportunities are there. Yeah. I don't want to come in with just off the strength of today, of this trading session. I got to do some homework for sure. No more 2 trades at the same time. That's a tough one for me, man. Yeah, I see it, Trey. That's a tough one for me to just rule out. But, I mean, it's FOMO. Yeah, I don't know, Rob. I get it. Like I was missing some pops on VWAV while I was over here losing money on MCVT today. Yeah. Especially these small caps. They rip so fast. Let's not lie to ourselves. The executions was fire though. Like these aren't FOMO executions. Can I get that? My spirit might have been FOMO, but the executions were good. Can I get that or no? Y'all keep it a buck. Keep it, yeah, I dropped time face because of FOMO for sure, but the executions though. Talk to me, Knives. What y'all thinking? You missed that? No. No. I was just talking about Trey was telling me today was FOMO and not to fool myself. And I admit that the spirit of today was definitely FOMO, but the executions were solid over here on this chart, you know. These other ones, you know, questionable for sure, but thanks, Knives. Yeah, see, and then, you know, the time frame, like, if I take the numbers off of here, you can't really tell what time frame it is. Like, you know, you don't really know what time frame it is. But they do trade differently. I won't say that they don't. Go for it, Knives. Let me hear it, man. So I can ponder over it while I eat my oxtails. I'm waiting on you, Technical. What you talking about, bro? You've been dropping these one-worders and dipping. These one-liners. What did he say earlier? It's because you're not on the one. I dropped to the two. Really rolling traded? Well, I hear you there. But I literally I started trading in 2020. Took a year off in 2023. And up until, when did I start using the 5? A few months ago? This year? I've been using the 1 minute chart exclusively. So, and I literally built my strategy on the 1 minute chart, and I just moved it to the 5. So I'm not really doing anything differently. I'm just executing on a lower time frame that's actually giving me pullbacks while something's running up. That's giving me entries that I'm not seeing on the 5 because the time frame is just too slow. Right? Like, there's no higher low pullbacks through this run up for me to trade. But if I drop to the 2, now we get, you know, I can put my line over here. There's my line in the sand, and we get the higher high, higher low. That's my strategy, right? That's totally my strategy. Or if I didn't take that one, I put the line over this one and wait for the higher high, higher low. You know, so I'm still trading the same strategy. I'm just dropping it down to a time frame that's giving me more opportunities to trade the strategy. Yeah, I hear you, Knives. I definitely I definitely thought I arrived. The problem was too many trades, but I didn't have my system refined like I do now, as far as like having a making it obvious, right? Having a line in the sand where I need the higher high to break over that and hold. I think my patience has also gone leaps and bounds. Maybe today was a little free for all, just because I'm, you know, really just frustrated and needed to see something happen. But, you know, I had like three no trade days this month, maybe 4. You know, that's something that never happened. So I think I'm coming back to this lower time frame with a few more tools in my bag than I had last time. So hopefully we won't have the, you know, crazy amount of trades on a whole bunch of different stocks. Because Because I mean, the runners were running in my face every day, and y'all were trading them, but I was just sitting here on the 5 waiting for a pullback. The end game definitely to make $1 million. Yeah. I mean, if I can do this every day, and I mean, it's just like to imagine, had I been on this time when I sat down in my chair this morning, you know, and did this all the way up, and then did it again over there, you know. Pullback never came, OG. Yeah. Yeah. SMX back in the game. Beautiful. I would have liked this right here. Maybe that too. This is exciting though. Friday was a nice, hopeful trading session, and then today, even more hopeful. This is actually really nice on the 5 too on SMX, and this is where you can get your confidence from. Like if I see the 15 then drop down to the EMA and through a narrow range, and then started trading, you know, and then I see the 5, like that'll make the 2 just that much more confident to take it. Yeah, this is really exciting. Yeah, and that's why I had to shut it down, Knives. I could totally feel it. Like I didn't, I was gone, you know. I was taxed, bro. Like I had an emotional morning in the red, and then I had you know, this really like edge of your seat trading on VWAV. I'm exhausted, bro. All right, I got you. Talking about it's not gonna be the Meg the Stallion, bro. Every time I scroll to our chat and see that Meg picture, bro. Lord have mercy. Fast up, fast down. Sheesh. That's why you got to take them profits, man. Yeah. Yeah, that's actually Rob. Rob, when I sent you an email, Rob, email me, bro. I sent you an email asking you. I wanted to talk to you about how you find your targets, because I sell a lot on the way to a very probable target, and I think like on a move like this, like honestly, these first 2 sales are garbage in hindsight, you know. But I mean, I don't know. This is a good sell at VWAP, I guess. But you know, in the scheme of things, I really like selling it though. I'd rather sell it than sit and hope. I've sat and hoped through so many trades and just they've gone to crap. I'm totally good with this. Yeah, I really like selling it, man. All right, let me see what you got there, Knives. Learning curve graph. What is a stock? Indicator, simple strategies, practice stage experience, real money experience, honing until profitable. Effort units, knowledge level. Damn, the effort units continue to go up, huh? Nah, I don't want to hold a breakthrough. It takes time, Pimp Pickle. Ghost DJ. You know, sometimes you gotta hear something and not only hear it, but trip over the obstacle that they're talking about, you know, for it to start to make sense. That dude, I always wondered if he was real or not. His videos are hilarious. Yo, Vape is looking solid right now. Vape is looking extracurricular. Yeah, for sure. I know you have, bro. And you know what? Those counted. Like all those times you said that, it helped, bro. Even though you didn't see it right away, it helped. It definitely helped, bro. So I appreciate you being willing to say it a million times. Because now we here and I'm smashing the sell button. Like when I see the price hanging up, I'm smashing it. You know? And I like it a lot. I like it a lot. That's deep, Knives. That's deep. But I take a lot of solace in the fact that it is still the same strategy, though. It's literally the same strategy. I'm just bringing it down to the 2-minute time frame. And I was thinking I was going to need to come up with new stop rules, but I'm just going to get out a lot faster now. So I don't need to like hang back at the 5-minute low. Like I'm trying to get out, bro. Like if it look like you ain't going up no more, I'm going to get out and then we'll see what you do after that. And if you look like you still want to go up, then we can get back in. It makes so much sense, man. I just wasn't there, man. Every part of the journey is necessary to get you to the next part. You know, even the freaking horrible last 2 months I've had. Like statistically in my journal, like last month was like one of my worst months ever. Damn, that happened last time I had a green month. Damn. It's psychological for sure, man. It's so psychological. Mental game of trading, man. Good Lord. This is the most difficult, challenging thing I've ever done in my life. Maybe being married. This and being married. Step 3 of 1,000. Yeah, I heard this. I posted this thing in the Discord. I would play it, but I actually got a copyright flag, last week from playing those TikTok videos. So I don't want to play it. But it was basically a trading psychologist dude talking about the idea of making it or having it. Like, I got it now. Like that statement, I got it now. Just like ball it up, pack that up, bro. It ain't no such thing, man. You just get a little better. I got you, Nas. Appreciate it. I've been needing more of that in my ear too. I've been needing more of that in my ear. I've been listening too much crap about the Epstein files lately. Epstein files and Macron. uh, yeah, definitely check that out. Yeah, that's where I gotta be at right now too. Yeah. Well, shoot, 2 green days in a row. Let's see what tomorrow brings, man. Let me get in that journal and try to find some things to stand on. Which, I mean, like I said, it's the same strategy, but you know, each time frame definitely has its nuances. You know, like you're not gonna see the wicks you see on the 1 on the 15 usually. You know, unless it's like ridiculously choppy. So there's definitely some stuff to go pick through. Told you, man, vape was looking saucy over here, man. Told you. Extracurricular. That's what's up, though. Just seeing them is nice, too. But, all right, y'all. I'm about to go eat these oxtails. I love y'all, man. Appreciate you. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And I'll let y'all tomorrow. Peace.